today we're having a Magitek live 3 giveaways from your live collection. So today it is a bit sunny outside, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to go play or record a video outside. So today, me and Colin came up with the idea of playing Magitek Live thing. Let's get into it. First of all, I have Joshua King as a Pro 11. His code is C7NGW7VC. Let me say it again so it's going down on a piece of paper. C7NGW7VC. Here is the card. No really good card, just 67 attack and 29 defense. That's Joshua King. Moving on to our next card, we have Nacho Monroy. His code is HD3836PB. Here is the card, Nacho Monroy. 53 attack, 77 defense. This is the card. What a good card. Oh. Say the code one more time. HD3836PB. That is Nacho Monroe. Now, moving on to our next card, Nissan Ricciardo. His code is GVEDORIOI. This is the card with 49 attack, lane 77 defense. Okay, so basically he has the same defense as Monreal, more power and more tackle. What the fuck? That is my saddest Arsenal player I ever heard of. Coming on to our next player, Gabriel Abundaba. His card is BA788LOM with 72 attack and 55. That is an okay card. I'm going to read his code again. His code will be BA788LOM. Next card is Mario Zedina. With his code of BS4QGG7B. Here is the card, 56 attack. 56 attack, 78 defense. Mario Zedina. I'm going to read his code one more time. BS4QGG7B. Next is Vincone's Company with the code of CKJSHCE. Not all letters, no numbers there. With 46 attack, but a whopping 88 defense. That is a good defender. Let me read his code again. His code is BKORTSHCE. Don't forget, write that down on a piece of paper. Yo! To our next card is Ashley Young with the code of Y7OB with 79 attack and 64 defense. What a piece of shit for Man United there. Next card is Bastian Schweinsteiger for Manchester United with the card of 6W16IUOH. Another midfield maestro. 77 attack, 85 defense. So, what? For real? Next one is Dara and Matt. Probably Newcastle's worst player of the season, but match test thought it was the best. With the code of M5UVAG92 with 60 attacks, 81. Moving on to our next card, Ramadal Valtau with the code of W1JJ or 2Y with 81 attacks, 39%. Not that special. Our next card, Kasper Schmeichel. Now I wondering why I put this card down here when it's supposed to be in pre-order. So I kind of messed up a bit. So tell me what you think down in the comments down below. Let's just get on with it. Kasper Schmeichel with the code of U3E675I with 4 attacks, and 80 defense. Ooh! The next card is Graziano Pella. Now, mainly that's his English name, but in Italian he's mainly called Graziano Pellazia, as you can translate it. I learned it in the bloody dictionary that's over there. There's no dictionary over there. Sorry, I moved it through it back to Teddy's. Let's go. With the card of AGZ1VHOY, I'm probably gonna have one of my first cards. He has 87 attacks and 51%. Better than Ramadal Valtau. Good. Valtau is just shit. Okay, next one is Jan Vertonghen. Seriously, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Vertonghen? Yes! I nailed it there. I nailed it. Oh, with the code of what the hell? The code of XWAJ05CN with 55%. Ow. Added to the phone. That lady. Next, another midfield maestro. I had him in probably my first team on FIFA 16 Ultimate Team. So here he is. Neil Bentala with the code of A0Z2W2MZ with 70 attack and 77%. What a midfield. There. Next, on to Troy Deeney. Yeah, that's just Troy Deeney. With the code of 7D6BEIL0 with 76 attack and 4. Jones Olsen with E2XTLV0707 as his code with 22 attack, 69%. And he probably had, since he's a really bad player, he probably had that 69 number with his mom or his dad. I think his dad. Yeah, his mom or dad. Moving on to our next player, and that is Diafra Seko! With 90 speed for something. What the fuck? He's not fast at all. With the code CLLVG2CB with 83 attack, 37 defense. Moving on to the second match, Pro 11. Lucas Fabianski with the code of 260OR227 with the RTD2. Could you imagine attacks? With 4 attacks Lame. But 87 cents. Ooh! Now, on to our last Pro 11. Johnny Howson! Howson. With the code of 3, 3, 1, 7, 8, 7, IC. Column is dry. With 71 attack. 72. Moving on to limited edition. Limited edition. We have Diego Costa. You probably got him with your probably much tougher. So, with the code of X7Q TCQ, he has 96 at the 4 different stuff. And the second person has 69 with his normal die. Wade Rooney with the code of S5FGATTQ. I'm at 9. No offense, but 92 attack, 69 defense, which he had with his mom and dad. What the fuck? How is this possible? A striker has the same defense as what the fuck a Pro 11. What the ball shot? What the ball shot is? Look! 6. Wait a minute. Allison, you're fucking foot. Alright, next guy. It's Olivier Giroud. The guy who thinks he's so sexy. With the code of U5CP1ZU7. That is Olivier Giroud with 94 attack, 30 times. Yes, on to our next, on our last midfield master, on our last card. Jordan Henderson! Link. With the code of G4AW6 or AM. Now, if you want another video like this, please hit the subscribe or a like button. Yeah, what? And button. This one? Subscribe!